In this video, we're going to explore the chart.js background color, and this will be a chart.js background color series specifically targeting all kind of colors. Alright, so to do this, we have this basic file here, or basically browser, and what I want to do first is we will start with a blank template, and let's put in here a default of a chart.js. So we go here to chartjs.org, let's put in a bar chart here as default. Click here, or once you are here, and I'm using the latest version, which is 3.3.2, and then you see here, if you scroll down, you'll find here the item itself. Let's copy this, and then we will put it in here between, give it a proper indentation, put in here an enter, and then in here we're going to put in still the chart.js library. So if you click here on getting started, click on getting started here, and then we have this item here. Alright, just copy that, and then you have the chart.js library in here, which is fine. And then what we need to do is here, we will have to nest the canvas tag between the div class of chartbox. And the reason I'm doing that is to ensure that we have a fixed width for the chart. The reason why for that is to avoid that this would scale into infinity. So this is why we're going to do it, just to avoid it will be bigger than the page. So we say here, class chartbox with capital letter B, and then width 700 pixels. If I save that, go back here and refresh, there we are. Alright, so now we have this simple bar chart here, and basically in here we have the background colors. And with the background colors you can do so much more, and there's so many different items. So let me start with some of the basics here. This is really an array. Right now this is an array, but if I remove this, all of these, and just put it in here, just a single value, what will happen eventually is that everything becomes one fixed color. And this is just really the basics, because this is just single color. And if you want it back to an array, and this is the reason why it's set as an array in the beginning, is if you have this here, multiple values, then it will be very practical. However, if you do a line chart, and save this and refresh, you'll see that having multiple background colors is probably not desirable, or multiple line colors or border colors. You can see here right now we have the multiple border colors. If I remove these, I'll just remove this here and remove as well the brackets here. The brackets here indicate that this is a very specific, that is an array of values. So if I save this now, this will stay consistent. So if I go back here and let's put it in bar, save that, there you are. So with this here, we use one solid value to create a color that is consistent in the background colors. And same with the border colors, work exactly the same. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, you probably will enjoy this one as well. And if you're interested in chart.js, check out in the description box the link directing to my chart.js course, where you can learn everything about chart.js. And finally, of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel.